Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can know that if someone blocked you on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on the search icon. And here you need to search for the person name. So here I'm going to search for the person name. So here you can see that no user found. So hopefully, and you can say that might be that person blocked me, that's why I'm unable to see his profile. So how you can know that? You simply need to copy this username and you simply need to go back and open. You simply need to switch to account if you have another account, or you can use some of your friend accounts. I'm going to use this account, and here you need to search for the person. So here you can see that I see the person that blocked me, and here you can see that. So this is the method by which you can know that if someone block you on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.